Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. And in this one, I want to show you guys a method we can use in order to directly delete detection rules from our console. Now, why would we want to do that? Is because sometimes we want to delete rules that belong to a system account or to an account that isn't longer available, and we won't be able to delete them directly from the user interface, and therefore we have to do that directly from the console. And the way to do that is to go to the hamburger menu here and click on the API, and we have a dedicated section for the API, so not to worry about that. But just for this example, I'm going to go to Analytics and then Rules, and I can see that this API retrieves a list of rules. So let's, for example, say that I want to delete this one. So I'm going to go copy the name, and I'm going to type name equals quotes and the name of the rule I want to delete. And when I click try it out, I basically get a response saying that the ID for the rule you want to delete is this ID. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this ID. Now I'm going to go to my console, and I'm going to use PSQL, which is our method of interacting with a Postgres database on QRadar's console. And it's quite dangerous to use PSQL if you don't know exactly what it does. So be careful with that. But for our example, it's quite safe because it's a very simple change. So I'm going to specify our user, and the query itself is going to be delete from the table custom rule anything with the ID of this one that we found out from the API. And once we hit enter, we're going to see that it's delete one, which means that it was successful. And if I go back to my deployment, I'm going to see that this is going to be deleted, right? So let's search for it. Let's do refresh. And as you can see, it's no longer present, right? So by deleting it directly from the console, we have essentially eliminated this from our deployment. So you can use that method to delete detections when you're stuck from the user interface and it's not allowing you to do that. So you have that alternative. So this has been it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.